Okay, so as many of, if you remember, in one of our past videos when we were talking about our garden, we had this experimental grafted vegetable tree thing, and it's called Ketchup and Fries. It's supposed to have tomatoes on the top, which you can clearly see. It's supposed to have potatoes in the bottom, hence Ketchup and Fries. So we'll see. It did give us some small tomatoes. We'll pick those off in a minute. We are more curious to see if we got taters. We're just gonna yank.
There. It's got red ones.
It's a red potato.
That one is in there. There's another one here.
There's another one. Potato. Oh, it's still going. Potato. Oh my gosh.
Funny.
It works. Okay, we'll be buying these again next year for sure.
I don't
Probably
even
buy
know.
a few of them.
I don't know how they do the graft or whatever they do, but as you can see, it's just a tomato plant and it gives you potatoes on the bottom. Ha! Cool.
Didn't give a lot, but hey,